Are you tired of renting? Are you looking for an affordable yet high-quality home in a tranquil and secure environment? Well, look no further. Cloverdene Extension 57 features a range of well-designed spacious homes that cater to different lifestyles and budgets, making it an ideal place for families, young professionals and retirees. The development is located in Van Rijn Small Holdings in Benoni and boasting a 24-hour security, easy access to major highways, schools and shopping centers. For more information about Cloverdene Extension 57, contact our sales team at info@cloverdene57.co.za. Don't miss out on an opportunity to secure your family a place they can call home.